In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for Red Dead Redemption on PC. Check my video description for this 100% save. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And now press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type here percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data, open roaming, open this 1911 folder, Red Dead Redemption profile, and this is your game progress. Before dropping the 100% save, backup your game progress. Create a new folder on desktop. Name it as backup. Now drag and drop your game progress inside this backup. Drag and drop this 100% save in this location. Now you can launch the game. And as you can see, it successfully loads the 100% save. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.